Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of creative wooden planter ideas, a perfect way to bring nature into your living space with style and personality. Whether you have a spacious garden, a cozy balcony, or just a sunny windowsill, wooden planters are an amazing way to add warmth and charm to any corner of your home. But these aren't just your basic plant boxes. We're talking about innovative designs, multi-tiered setups, and even mobile planters that you can move around to catch the best light. Not only do they enhance your space aesthetically, but they also create a healthier environment by making it easier to grow herbs, flowers, and even vegetables right at home. In this video, I'm going to share some unique ideas to inspire your next gardening project, show you how these wooden planters can double as stunning decor, and explain why they're such a sustainable choice. So, if you're ready to add some greenery and creativity to your home, stick around, let's get planting. Wooden planters have evolved far beyond their traditional role of simply housing plants. They have become essential decorative elements that transform living spaces with their natural charm and versatile design. In modern interior decor, where the lines between nature and architecture often blur, wooden planters stand as a perfect bridge, effortlessly blending organic beauty with structured aesthetics. These planters offer more than just a vessel for greenery. They add warmth, texture, and personality to a space, making them an invaluable tool for those seeking to elevate their home's ambience. The appeal of wooden planters lies in their inherent natural quality. Wood, as a material, exudes a certain warmth that metal or plastic simply cannot replicate. It carries with it the raw, organic essence of nature, bringing a piece of the outdoors into indoor environments. This subtle connection to the natural world has a calming effect, creating a sense of balance and serenity within the home. When placed thoughtfully, wooden planters have the power to soften modern, minimalist spaces, adding an earthy contrast to sleek lines and neutral palettes. The grain patterns, knots, and natural imperfections in the wood make each planter unique, turning them into small, functional pieces of art. One of the most captivating aspects of using wooden planters as decorative items is their adaptability to different styles of interiors. For a rustic or farmhouse aesthetic, aged or reclaimed wood planters blend seamlessly, reinforcing the cozy, lived-in feel of the space. These planters, often slightly weathered or with a distressed finish, complement homes that embrace vintage accents, raw textures, and muted color schemes. On the other hand, for more contemporary homes, smooth, polished wooden planters with clean lines and geometric shapes provide a modern twist, adding a subtle natural element without disrupting the room's sleek design. Wooden planters also open the door to creative combinations of materials, further enhancing their decorative potential. Pairing wood with other elements, like metal legs, glass inserts, or ceramic accents, results in striking designs that blend rustic charm with modern elegance. A wooden planter with sleek metal framing, for example, perfectly balances industrial and natural styles, making it a versatile choice for urban lofts or chic apartments. Meanwhile, a planter with a glass base might create the illusion of floating greenery, adding a sense of lightness and sophistication to a room. These mixed material planters highlight how it can adapt to contemporary design trends while preserving its timeless appeal. Beyond aesthetics, wooden planters contribute to the overall atmosphere of a living space by reinforcing a sense of nature and tranquility. The presence of plants, supported by the natural element of wood, fosters a biophilic design, a concept rooted in the human desire to connect with nature, even indoors. Studies have shown that integrating natural materials and greenery into living spaces can reduce stress, boost mood, and improve air quality. Wooden planters play a crucial role in this process, as they not only support plant life but also enhance the sensory experience of a home. The slight scent of untreated wood, the roughness of the grain, and the visual warmth they emit all contribute to an environment that feels nurturing and restorative. Furthermore, wooden planters allow for personalization, offering endless opportunities for homeowners to express their creativity. With DIY options on the rise, many people embrace the chance to craft or customize their own planters, whether through staining, painting, or carving designs into the wood. This personal touch transforms wooden planters into more than just decor; they become sentimental pieces that reflect the homeowner's personality and style. Some may opt for a clean, polished look with neutral stains, while others might experiment with bold colors or hand-painted patterns. This flexibility means wooden planters can evolve alongside the homeowner's tastes, adapting to changing design preferences over time. In addition to their decorative value, wooden planters serve practical purposes within the home. They can act as natural dividers, subtly separating open-plan spaces without the need for solid partitions. For example, a row of tall wooden planters filled with lush plants can delineate a living area from a dining space, maintaining a sense of flow while introducing a touch of privacy. This use of planters as functional decor adds both structure and softness to modern interiors, fostering a balance between openness and coziness. Similarly, smaller wooden planters can be used to organize and frame spaces, guiding movement through hallways or adding definition to seating areas. Sustainability is another factor that enhances the appeal of wooden planters as decorative items. As awareness of eco-friendly design grows, many homeowners are drawn to wooden planters not just for their beauty, but for their environmental benefits. When sourced from responsibly managed forests or reclaimed materials, wooden planters offer a sustainable alternative to plastic or synthetic decor. This conscious choice aligns with the broader movement toward greener living, allowing individuals to decorate their homes in a way that reflects their commitment to the planet. The biodegradable nature of wood means that when the planters eventually reach the end of their lifespan, they can return to the earth without causing harm, a cycle that resonates with those seeking sustainable design solutions. Ultimately, wooden planters have transcended their traditional function to become a vital element of modern home decor. They bring nature indoors, add texture and warmth, and offer countless opportunities for creativity and personalization. Their versatility allows them to adapt to a wide range of interior styles, from rustic to contemporary, while their sculptural quality makes them striking decorative pieces in their own right. Beyond aesthetics, wooden planters contribute to a home's atmosphere by reinforcing a connection to nature, supporting sustainable design, and offering practical solutions for space division and organization. As the desire for organic, eco-conscious design continues to grow, wooden planters stand as both timeless and innovative decorative items, effortlessly transforming living spaces into harmonious, nature-inspired sanctuaries. And that wraps up today's video on creative wooden planter ideas. I hope these designs have inspired you to bring a bit of nature into your home in a way that's both stylish and personal. Whether you're adding a rustic charm to your balcony, creating a vertical garden in your living room, or simply elevating your space with handcrafted wooden planters, the possibilities are endless. These planters don't just serve as homes for your plants, they become part of your decor, adding warmth, texture, and a natural vibe to any corner of your home. Remember, gardening isn't just about growing plants, it's about creating a space that reflects your personality and brings you joy. So, don't be afraid to get creative, mix designs, or even DIY your own wooden planters to make them uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kooky Decor for more tips on sustainable gardening and home decor ideas. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Which planter idea was your favorite? Or do you have your own creative design to share? Let's keep the inspiration flowing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.